On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that it does not require any investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, or any affiliate network that you want. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. So once you create your accounts and log in on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see these are products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $127.91 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, you can see the next one, you are going to be earning $154.92 per every sale that you get. The next one, you are going to be earning $43.83 per every sale that you get. There are many of them that you can promote. You can see this product, you are going to be earning $46.49 per every sale that you get. There are many products on Digistore24 that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a category of products that you want to promote. If you want, you can promote physical products. You can also promote digital products. Any kind of product that you want, you can find it on Digistore24 and then promote it. There are a lot of different products. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you come, you can see digital products. If you want to promote a digital product, click on it and then select the specific category of digital products that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want to promote a digital product, you can select a physical product. So when you click on it, you can see right here they have physical products. If you click on it, you can see they have skincare products, supplements. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote. If you want services, click on services. Once you click on it, you can see they have fashion, marketing services. If you want those kind of products, you can click on it and then find the available products that you can promote. You can see they have physical data medium. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to sort the products. We want to sort the products based on the percentage of sales that they get when visitors click on the link of the product. So come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they have earning per sale. Do not select that. Earning per cart visitor, do not select that. Select cart conversion. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see Billionaire Brainwave. This is the product that is getting a lot of sales. You can see the cart conversion rate is 39%. So it means 39% of those people are going to purchase the product for you to earn money. You can see the commission rate is $46.49 per every sale that you get. So if you promote this product to about 2,000 people, you are going to get 39% of those people buying the product. You can see the next product, it has a high cart conversion rate, 29%. So if you promote it to people, you are likely going to get 29% of those people buying the product. There are many of them. If you scroll down, you can see another one, 29%. If you scroll down, many other products that you can promote. So just select the one that you want so that you can be making money from home. You can see a whole lot of different kind of products that you can promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting this product. This is the commission rate, $113.21 per every sale. That is the commission rate per every sale that you get. You can see the cart conversion rate is 24%. That is good. So if you drive a lot of traffic to the product, you can be earning a lot of money. Now once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to look at the landing page of the product so that you can get some basic information about it. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. You can see brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it starting today. That is what the product is about. It is about how to treat tinnitus. Let me explain to you what tinnitus means. So when you come on Google, you can see hearing noises in your ears. The product will help people to cure tinnitus naturally. You can see 100% natural tinnitus treatment. The product is going to show people how to treat tinnitus naturally. So if you want to get more information, you can click on play. Once you click on play, you are going to watch the video so that you can get more information about the product before you begin to promote it. In this case, I have watched the video so I don't need to watch the video again. But in your case, you must watch the video so that you can get some basic information about the product. Once you watch the video, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. So click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied to your clipboard. What you have to do is that you have to test your affiliate link on a new tab to see whether it is working. You can open a new tab like this. Once you open it, paste your affiliate link. Once you paste it, make sure that your name is at the end of the link. Once that is done, press enter so that you can see if the link will work. You can see the link is working. This is my affiliate link. Now once the link is working, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can use the free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. It depends on your budget. If you have money to invest in paid ads, you can use the paid method. If you don't have money, you have to use the free method so that anytime you get sale, you can then use the money to invest in paid ads. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to make money promoting the product. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is classifiesfactor.com. On this website, you can run ads for free. And the best part is that they have a lot of different tier 1 countries that you can select and then post your ad. You can see they have United States. So if you want to post your ad to people who live in the United States, you can select that. Canada, you can select that. Australia, you can select it. India, New Zealand, Pakistan, Philippines, UAE, United Kingdom. Any of these countries that you want, you can select it and then post your ad. It is free. You can see these are some of the states in the United States. So any of them that you want, you can select and then post your ad. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, click on my account. Once you click on it, you are going to follow the prompts so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad for free. Once you click on it, you can see publish your ad. So you have to scroll down and then select your ad type. So scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see select ad type. You have to scroll down so that you can select your ad type. In this case, I'm going to select individual. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down so that you can continue with the rest of the details. So scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on it, close the ad and then continue. Just close the ad. Once you close the ad, you can see start by choosing a category. So you have to choose the right category of the product that you are promoting. Just scroll down so that you can find the categories. Once you scroll down, you can see these are the categories for sale. They have ad collection, clothing, computers, hardware, electronics, and many others. You can see a whole lot of them. They have health and beauty. When you scroll down, there are many other categories. You can see a lot of different categories that you can select. As you can see, health, they have dentists and others. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, our product is under the health category. So when you come back on Desktop 24, you can see health. It's a supplement and a health category. So you have to select health category. So you just come back. Once you come back, you can see health. Click on others. Once you click on others, you have to scroll down so that you can continue with your ad. Once you scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing, title, and description. So you have to enter the title of your ad and the description. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see title and description. You have to paste your title and a description. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to write the ad title and then a description. Once you come on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to paste a prompt so that it can write an ad description and a title for you. So you have to paste a prompt like this. You can see write an ad description of curing tinnitus. Just type a prompt like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it can write an ad description for you. So click on send. Once you click on send, you can see it is writing the ad description. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you are going to highlight and then copy the description. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come on your ad and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to ask ChatGPT to write a title for you. So you have to come back and then write something like add a title. Add a title. Once that is done, click on send so that it will write a title for you. You can see this is a nice title that it has written for us. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy the title, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing address. So you have to enter address. If you have an address, you can enter it right here, but in this case I don't want to enter any address, so click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing price, so you have to enter the price of the product. So you have to scroll down so that you can enter the price of the product. You can see price. You have to first of all select the currency that you are going to enter here. So in this case we are using dollars, so select dollars. Once you select dollars, you have to paste the price of the product here. As you can see on the store 24, this is the price of the product. You can see it right here. Highlight and copy it. Just highlight and copy the price. Once you highlight and copy the price, you are going to paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see continue. Once you click on continue, you can see contact info. You can enter your name and email address. So enter your name right here, type your name right here. Once you type your name, the next one is the email address. You have to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see company name. You have to enter the name of your company. If you don't have a company, just click on continue. You can see company name optional. Click on continue. You don't want to enter any company name. Once you click on it, you can see select your ad region. You have to select the location where you want your ad to be shown. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see country. Click on it and then select any country that you want. In this case, we are going to target people in the United States. So you have to scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see United Kingdom, United States. Click on United States. Once that is done, you can see region. If you want to select any state in the United States, you can select that. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select California. So you can see California here. Click on it. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see publish a listing. So you have to scroll down so that you can publish your listing. You can see phone number. If you want, you can enter your phone number, but in this case I'm not going to enter my phone number, so just enter the capture box here. I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see select an ad type. So you have to select the type that you can afford. When you scroll down, you can see the price. The basic is free. If your ad type is basic, you are not going to be paying for anything. If it is standard, you are going to be paying $4.98. If you select premium, you are going to be paying $29.98. Any of them that you can afford, you can select that. But in this case, we want to paste it for free. So click on select. Once you select it, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. You can see continue. Once you click on continue, you can see website URL. You have to add the URL of your website. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see enter your website URL. What we are going to do is that we are going to paste our affiliate link right here. So come back on this info. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you copy the promo link, you are going to come back and then paste it here. Once you paste your affiliate link, anytime people want to get access to the product, they have to click on your affiliate link so that they can be directed to the product landing page. Anytime they make a purchase through your affiliate link, you are going to be paid on the info. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see related info question 2. So you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here enter video URL. We don't have any video URL, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once that is done, you can see question 3. You have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see enter Facebook page. You don't have that, so click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see question 4. They are going to ask of another social media platform, so you have to skip all of them. You can see Instagram page. Click on continue. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see complete the posting and ad process by pressing this submit button. So click on submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. You can see your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. Your ad has been submitted to the platform. The next step is that they are going to review it to see if it meets their guidelines. Once that is done, they are going to post it onto the platform so that you can be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. There are a lot of different classified websites that you can create your accounts and then post your ads for free. On this website, you have to post a lot of different ads so that you can get quality traffic to your affiliate link. So make sure you keep on posting different as sometimes you have to change the title, sometimes you have to build a landing page and then post it onto the platform so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.